Opening a bank account in Malaysia as a foreigner is a straightforward process if you know the necessary steps. First, choose a bank. Popular options include Maybank, CIMB, and Public Bank. Research their services to find one that meets your needs. Next, gather the required documents: a valid passport, proof of address, like a utility bill, and sometimes a visa or employment letter. Some banks may require a minimum deposit, so confirm this in advance. Schedule an appointment at your chosen branch to streamline your visit. Upon arrival, complete the application form and submit your documents to a bank representative. They will process your application, which typically takes a few days. After approval, you'll receive your account details and a debit card. It's advisable to ask about internet banking options for easy management of your account. Once your account is active, familiarize yourself with local banking fees and services offered. Take advantage of the online platforms to keep track of transactions and manage your finances efficiently. Setting up an account in Malaysia opens doors to seamless financial transactions and local investments, enhancing your overall experience in this vibrant country.